Designability is an inclusive design and research charity based in the UK in Bath, and we take problems from everyday barriers through lived experience research, and we turn that into insights and design concepts and products. The innovation team were developing the world's first accessible pushchair for manual wheelchair users, and we had a caster wheel. We wanted to change some parts around, so we ordered some samples, and then straight away the sales team at igus were in contact with us and recommending the best parts for us, and that's kind of where our journey with them started.
Originally, this was the wheel that we received, and we modified with this wheel. And we had the suspension, we had the brake, and we have all the system internally, and all this part involved igus component. And this was very good because solid bearing, so low maintenance, low problem with the dust, and can guarantee that the product works for a long time. igus support us to find the right product and support us in making the product better. And sometimes we save a lot of money because we choose something wrong. igus that is better this for what are you doing. We have amazing experience. I hope we carry on to have a collaboration partnership for here.
So in the next 12 months, we're working towards producing 200 pushchairs to put those on the market so people can use them. That will be a lovely milestone for us. We're also soon going to be celebrating our 60th anniversary, and we want to align that with our new development of WizzyBug, our flagship product for children aged 14 months to 5 years. So our V2 will be aged 14 months to 8 years, and we're working on that now. Going to be using some igus parts for it, and that will be launched soon.